Good morning, sixth grade, and I hope you enjoyed your weekend and got your Monday work all finished up. You should be working on the multiplication packets or on the logic puzzles. If you have any questions on those, you can ask your squad teacher or email me. I'm always around. So this week we are going to be working on some graphing, and you are going to be working on level 2 to start out. So you will either get a Superman, an Elmo, or a Batman from your teacher, and that's a level 2. All of these, your paper will be held horizontally, and it does tell you that right here in the directions. So, and you'll get a sheet like this that'll tell you where you're plotting your ordered pairs. The second piece of paper that you will be receiving from your teacher is a graph. And I do have some that don't have number markers on them, but I'm thinking for most of you, it's kind of nice to have some of the 5 marks on here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here's 5. So if you had a point 12, you could have actually move to 10, go 11, 12, and then go up or down how you needed to do it. So what we are going to be doing is you are going to be plotting a whole lot of points. And on your paper, it's showing you shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, some of these shapes will close up on you. Some of these shapes will just be aligned. So when I finish this shape, if you notice here, I'm starting at the same point and ending at the same point, the shape is going to close up. So then when I go on to shape 2 doesn't necessarily connect to shape 1. So we're going to go through and I'm going to do part of these points with you. So if you want to do a Superman with me, that's great. If not, if you're going to be doing either the Batman or the Elmo, you're going to be doing those on your own. So there are a lot of Superman there. If you want to try that with me, that's great. So my first point is 0, negative 12. So if I'm 0 and I need to go to negative 11. So here's 10. Here's 11. I'm just going to put that mark right there on the line. And then on my paper, I'm going to check it off. Then I'm going to go on to the next point. It's 18, comma 7. So I'm going to go over here to 18. So 15, 16, 17, 18. And then it says 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Now, because I have 2 points, I don't want to wait till I put a whole bunch of them in. I'm going to check this one off, and then I'm going to take a ruler or the side of my paper, just because it's a pretty long distance between the 2 points, and I'm going to draw a line. That way there I connected my first and second points. If you wait till you put all the points down, sometimes it gets a little sloppy. My next point is 11, comma 12, so I'm going to go 10, 11, and I'm going to come way up here. Here's my 10 line, go 11, 12, and put that dot there. Then I'm going to check off my point again, use my paper, and connect my 2 dots. All right, now I'm going to keep going. My next one is negative 11, 12. So 10, here's negative 11. I'm going to come up here to 12. Then I'm going to check off my point, and I'm going to use my paper or my ruler so I get a nice straight line and go across. My next point is negative 18, 7. So 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to come there. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Look at that. Made a mistake. It's a positive 7. 18, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to come here, connect my dots, check it off. And if I notice I started at the same point, so I really don't have to count that one out. I just know that my last point is coming here, and I am closing it out. So that would be the starting shape. So now I have shape 1 continued, and I would go on to shape 2 and plot my points and do it just as that. I will give your teachers some samples of what this will look like when it's finished, so you can let your teacher know if you want to do Superman, if you want to do Batman, or if you want to do Elmo. And I will also post that on the Google Slides so that you can see that. Thank you.